All right, guys. So when you have no space like we do under our sink, comes in handy. You could pull out anything you want in here and keep away from any kind of hazardous stuff and water if it ever drips. It has plenty of holes on the bottom. I'm gonna demonstrate you guys. So we have our stuff in here. These are the detergents, sponges that we're able to get easy. And this is underneath our sink. We're able to grab our chemicals here. It's isolated from the rest of the stuff. We got the useful stuff. This is what we always use. And we could just pull it out completely all the way out. And if it sticks out, and it's plenty of room, if you guys can notice. Now, before I didn't have enough room on the top because there was nothing to there. I had no other shelves, and this is perfect. Comes in handy. There's 2 shelves now. So instead of stacking everything in one area, I stack it up all in one now. So, and then you could hang your dirty towels or towels that need to be dried out. You can put them in here.
Hi, we have up here an under sink storage and organizer. It comes with these little hooks so that you can hang things. Also has little holes here so that in case something drips or it can go through the hose. It's a handle so you can easily slide it in and out when you're trying to grab something. It took me about 5 minutes to assemble. Versatile, you could use it underneath your cabinets, or you have other places that you could use it around the kitchen or the bathroom.
Here's our kitchen. We have all the ingredients on one side. We're gonna organize them and have them better. We're gonna use this as versatile divider so we can organize.
It's also a great space saver for your kitchen. I use it to put my spices and my oils at the bottom. Easy to pull out what I need. I push back in.